The showdown over SIR, or the Special Intensive Revision of Electoral Rolls, has just escalated in West Bengal. The storm continues to rock Bengal, where BLOs, or booth level officers, are staging protests outside the Election Commission's office in Kolkata. The BLOs are demanding relief from excessive workload by extending the SIR deadline by another 2 months. Meanwhile, BJP delegation led by leader of the opposition Shubhendu Adhikari arrived to meet with the officials. As Adhikari and several BJP MLAs reached the premises, members of the BLO Adhikar Raksha Committee, already protesting against what they call excessive workload under the SIR exercise, intensified their agitation. Now, the protesting booth-level officers, or BLOs, raised slogans and attempted to cross police barricades, prompting security personnel to intervene and restore order. Shubhendu Adhikari urged the TMC government in West Bengal to clear the payments of BLO, or booth-level officer workers. Now, the Election Commission of India, meanwhile, has sharply pulled up the West Bengal state government for failing to release the increased honorarium for booth-level officers and the additional payments cleared for the ongoing SIR process. Now, during a recent meeting with the TMC delegation, the commission termed the delay very strange, stressing that the enhanced annual payment of 12,000 rupees for BLOs, along with the additional 6,000 rupees approved for the revision exercise, should have been paid without further delay. The Election Commission reminded that it had doubled BLO's compensation in the month of August this year and revised payments for BLO supervisors, acknowledging their crucial role in maintaining clean and transparent voter lists. Responding to the criticism, the TMC said that the State Election Commission should take up the matter with the government and accuse the centre of withholding 2,000 crore rupees due to the state of West Bengal. TMC MP Partho Bhowmik said that the state is prepared to pay 50,000 rupees to BLOs but needs the blocked central funds released first. We have my colleague Ravi Shankar Datta now joining us live from Kolkata. Ravi Shankar Datta, talk to us. You are there where the protests are taking place as well. They seem to have escalated after the BJP delegation led by Shubhendu Adhikari entered the scene.
Exactly, as soon as Shubhendu Adhikari and the BJP delegations entered the Election Commission of India office here in Kolkata at Baman Lorry building, where I am currently standing. I will show you the spot, the building. The situation escalated here, and the BLOs and their family members, who in front of the camera said that we are not the BLOs, still we are standing here to solidarate the demands of the BLO here. The situation escalated and they protested against Shubhendu Adhikari and the others, demanding that when they wanted to show their demands to the Election Commission of India, they were made to stand here for 30 hours, and when Shubhendu Adhikari and the BJP MLA came, they were immediately given the permission to go upstairs. So the BLO were of the notion that something fishy is going on between the between the Election Commission of India and Shubhendu Adhikari and BJP MLAs. So there was a huge protest. I want to show you the spot exactly. This was the barricade you can see, which the BLO tried to cross. This is a barricade made by the Kolkata police, and they tried to cross the this barricade. Initially, the BLO, those who are still protesting, you can see the dharna manch of the BLOs. I will show you from a distance. You will understand that next to the opposite side of the Election Commission of India, the BLO are sitting there and they are protesting on that particular spot. You can see the blue-white facetune and the blue-white munch that is being made. They are the spot where their BLO are sitting and protesting. But as soon as in the Election Commission, Shubhendu Adhikari and the MLA came, the BLO came here and protested fiercely. And when Shubhendu Adhikari and the BJP MLA, part of the BJP MLA, were coming out, the BLO shouted they slogan go back. And that is the reason why we went to spoke to the BLO, and they said that our demands are not being made. The app we are using, no training has been given on that matter. Along with that, they said that the Election Commission of India are acting inhuman because the BLO, those who are working, the servers are not working in the app. Moreover, they said that the process that is given to the BLOs to work, that is inhuman, and there is no schedule of work. Even they are being threatened if the work are not being done on time, the prosecution will be made against them. Now, as you are saying, the BLOs pension, the compensation of the BLOs at this juncture of time when they are working, that is being doubled. It might have been, but the BLO are currently asking that first of all, these 2 months tenure of time, 1 month the entry of the form, and other month the digitization of the form till the list comes up, a preliminary list comes up. That time is too short. They are asking more time, more than 4 months. Now, in a tenure of 4 months, if we see the election, that will be the February time when the election will be on the screen. But again, the BLO is saying that the time given to the BLOs to fill up the form and do their job is too short, and that was the reason they were protesting continuously in front of the ECI office. And as soon as BJP MLA Shubhendu Adhikari and their team reached here, the situation escalated.
Okay, stay with us. Let's quickly now listen to what Shubhendu Adhikari had to say.
जो सरकार SIR का खिलाफ बोलता है वो रुपया क्यों देगा? देने के लिए उनको वो बाउंड है, देना ही पड़ेगा.
Ravi Shankar, I have to ask you this: the fundamental, point of conflict here is the fact that the payments haven't been made to these BLOs. The West Bengal government says that no, they haven't received 2,000 crores from the center, and that's the reason why they haven't made the payments. But this entire protest is not just about extending the deadline; it's also about giving the payments, the honorarium. They were meant specifically for the SIR exercise that they are due.
See, there are not only the honorarium issue or the app issue, there are several issues the BLO are protesting for. First of all, the app they are using.
Now we have, stay with us, Ravi Shankar. We have Union Minister Shukanta Majumdar now joining us on the phone line. Shukanta Majumdar, thank you so much for taking time out to be with us. Talk to us. The West Bengal state government says that they haven't received the funds that they are due, and that's the reason why they have not been able to make the payments to booth level officers.
It is the duty of the state government to provide that money. Whether I would like to ask the question whether the state government of West Bengal become a beggar. They are asking money every time for everything. If you can't run a state with your own, you don't have the revenue generating system. So this will be the future, and that's why this kind of allegation TMC is making. They are doing nothing but they are trying to create pressure on the election commission.
They are trying to create pressure on the election commission, but right now the pressure is being felt by the booth level officers, not just in terms of the money that is involved, but also in terms of the workload per se. This protest is also based on the fact that they want at least a 2-month extension.
So that will be decided by the election commission whether 2 months extension can be given or not. But I have mentioned previously also that if this is necessary, election commission should discuss with the government and they can run the SIR according to the discussion, and if the tenure of Mamata Banerjee's government is over, then the rest of the time, obviously there should be president rule or governor rule there on the state. So we don't have any objection in that. If the election comments under the governor rule, then we don't have any objection.
Okay, fair enough. We'll leave it at that. Shukanta Majumdar, thank you so much for taking time out to be with us here. Union Minister of State Shukanta Majumdar, they're speaking to News 9. Ravi Shankar Datta still continues to be with us from Kolkata. Ravi Shankar Datta, you just heard Shukanta Majumdar talk about the fact that this is clear pressure building tactics by the West Bengal state government, and that if the BLOs want an extension for 2 months, then that will be decided appropriately depending upon the circumstances. So there is no, it's not like the election commission is against it.
See, basically, whatever the election commission is saying and whatever the BLO are saying, there is no notification about that. If the BLO are demanding a 2-month extension for this job, and election commission is also ready to give the 2-month extension, so the time period, the tenure will go up to February, then obviously question raises, if the work is done till February, when the preliminary list for the voter elector of 2025 will come up, will that be February? As because we know that 7th February the time has been given for this deadline to publish the final voter list here in West Bengal. Now if that is extended, obviously the tenure will go up till 4th or 7th April. Now if such thing happens, it is a question that when the election will come up. Now what Sukanta Majumdar and BJP is saying, we don't have any problem in presidential rule or governance rule here in West Bengal to conduct the election. That is to be decided by all the political parties and the Election Commission of India, because it's not so easy. You have to understand that here the sentiment of the people are there. Once BJP goes for the presidential form of rule here in West Bengal, the sentiment may go opposite to BJP and it may go for pro-Trinamool. So that is a dilemma BJP has to solve. And again, Trinamool is also looking for such opportunities where the sentiment can be played. In 2021, we know that Mamata Banerjee and her party Trinamool Congress won the election over the sentiments. Now in 2026, when the election will be coming up, what the sentiment is being played, already we know that the Bengal and Bengali sentiment are being played by Trinamool Congress, which had been a positive effect over the people and a negative for BJP. Now what will be the future of these politics, of this sentiment, that has to be decided in later time.